Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Okta Verify app when it's not working. So if the app keeps crashing, freezing, or won't open, then just follow along. First, completely close the Okta Verify app and reopen it. And if that doesn't help, try restarting your iPhone. Next, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. The next thing you can do is make sure you're using the latest version of Okta Verify by checking for updates in the App Store. And if you're using an iPhone, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, as it can often solve temporary issues. Then you need to also make sure your phone's operating system is fully updated. And if the app still isn't working after reinstalling, your account may need to be reactivated by scanning a new QR code, or you can try contacting your IT administrator. So that was how to fix the Okta Verify app when it's not working. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.